Hello guys, I hope you all are doing super duper fine. Just take care of your health, your family's health, and yeah, stay safe. So guys, with the current conditions going on in our country today, the lockdown conditions and all, I know majority of us are sitting at homes. And this has increased the household responsibilities on women and girls out there. I know it might be getting difficult to manage studies along with these household responsibilities. It might be getting difficult to manage our careers along with these uncertainties. I know there are girls out there who have to go through some social pressures of getting married, this, that on a every single day basis. And this indirectly hampers our efficiency and focus. Guys, I have been there and I have been married since past 2.5 years, and I work daily for 12 to 14 hours, guys. The only reason is I have developed certain coping mechanisms to beat these distractions and stay efficient and focused throughout the day. So that's why I have come up with a special live session tonight at 9 o'clock dedicated to all you girls and women out there, especially in these difficult situation, to help you stay efficient, calm and focused with your preparation levels and stay completely concentrated and keep your career game on point. So I'm giving all the details in the description box below. Click on that link, click on the notify me option so that you get notified when I come live. And to watch that session for free, you have to use this mandatory referral code RCH10. So guys, this is going to be a super interactive session whereby I will share my insights as a working lady. I will share certain tips and tricks which will help you stay calm, motivated and all boosted for your careers ahead. And even you can ask your doubts and you can share your stories as well. So see you tonight live at 9 o'clock.